Close your eyes and imagine you're standing at the edge of a mountain clearing. The first drops of rain begin to fall, creating a gentle pitter-patter that echoes through the wilderness. Nature's symphony is about to begin. Listen to the wind as it whispers through the trees, creating a soft rhythmic swooshing sound that seems to dance with the falling rain. The ancient pines and oaks sway back and forth, their branches moving like graceful dancers in perfect harmony with the breeze. Thousands of leaves rustle and flutter, some breaking free to spiral through the air in mesmerizing patterns. Each leaf tells its own story as it travels on the wind's invisible current, eventually finding a new place to rest on the dampened earth below. Above, the clouds put on their own magnificent show. They swirl and merge, creating ever-changing shapes in various shades of gray. Sometimes they part just enough to let a ray of sunlight pierce through, illuminating the raindrops like falling diamonds. As your gaze travels upward, you catch sight of the mountaintops piercing through the mist. They stand eternal, unmoved by the weather that swirls around them. Their peaks seem to touch the very clouds that bring this cleansing rain, creating a mystical connection between earth and sky. The combination of these elements creates a natural lullaby. The steady rhythm of raindrops, the orchestral swoosh of wind through leaves, the deep creaking of swaying trees. It all comes together in perfect harmony. This is nature's way of reminding us to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to find peace in the simple beauty of a rainy day. In these moments, time seems to stand still. The modern world with all its chaos fades away, replaced by this timeless display of natural elements working in perfect synchronization. Let yourself be carried away by this peaceful symphony. Let your thoughts drift like leaves in the wind and allow the calming presence of rain and wind to wash away your worries. Remember, these moments are always available to us, nature's gift of tranquility, waiting to embrace us whenever we need to find our center again.